I think it's actually pretty cool if you build your content business around one affiliate partner, around one business, right? If you don't want to have your own business. And then you establish a very close relationship with them. And then later on, you can actually propose to them, or they will propose to buy you out, or you can sell it to them.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. So let's say you make a Revolut only YouTube channel, let's say.
Let's say you make an only, yeah, exactly, right? So you make great Revolut tutorials, you make all this stuff, right? And then it's like a, Revolut Academy or something like that, right?
Yeah.
That's my favorite word. And then, then you just eventually you accumulate a lot of traffic. You become like the number one Revolut source on YouTube for them, right? You have partnered with them. They're paying you out a lot of money. By the way, Revolut's affiliate is really shit. Don't do it. I would not recommend. But let's say you do that, right? And then you reach out to them and you say, hey, I have this resource. We're getting 300,000 views or 500,000 views only related to Revolut topics. Would you guys like to buy me out? Hell yeah, they're going to buy you out, bro. For them, it's nothing. Pennies on the dollar. You're making a bank right away on one sale. And you can apply this on every niche.
Yeah, I think maybe when starting out, that's a very strong angle to go for, because like people with budget already spending a lot on videos, etc. It's pretty difficult to compete with if you don't have a lot of budget. Because some people, like I am publishing like 300 to 400 videos a month. And if you don't have the budget and you can only make 50, then maybe it's better to niche down and focus on that too, because then you have something unique. You have a unique angle.
Yeah. So coming back to that woodworking example, let's say that you start a woodworking channel, right? It's branded and you make tutorials about, everything basically related to woodworking, right? And then you reach out to that one company that you want to work with who's in the woodworking niche and you say, and you don't even say anything, you just maybe apply to their affiliate, or maybe you reach out and they give you the link and you first start to establish the relationship, right? And then you accumulate the views. What you can also do is you can create your own little landing page, right? With a lead magnet. A lead magnet basically means it's like a freebie that you give to people in exchange for their email address. So you're then starting to build an email list, right? So number one, you're building authority. Number two, you can start collecting emails, which is super valuable in that specific niche, which is woodworking, right? And then three, you are establishing a very close relationship with that company and you're kind of growing their business, with content. And then eventually
your channel becomes a lead magnet for them.
Yeah, your channel becomes your channel becomes part of their marketing strategy for that business. You're helping another business grow their business by creating content. And that's the skill you're ultimately learning here, right? And if you're if you're building an email list, you can set up an email flow. Hey, here are the 10 tips for woodworking. Hey, these are my favorite tools for woodworking. Bam, you send them to the website of your affiliate partner, right? So I would say that's probably one of the best ways that I know of right now as of this moment on how to really start a profitable content business that has a potential for an exit.
And it's pretty easy.